substantially smaller. You have to work with what you have to find what you want, and that means that you have to do things in unique ways. It means going up instead of out. It means doing things like a rooftop deck. It means doing things like opening up an entire room to make it indoor-outdoor, where here in Southern California you can actually do that. Because you're frameless, I would imagine that there are more opportunities to do that.
Yes. So what happens is what we discovered, or what actually what kind of an architectural evolution is, that the architects and the designers, they're looking for wider and higher openings. So, and this is what Skyframe stands for. That's our tagline, you know, a view, not a window. So we want to make sure that really literally nothing is in between the interior and the exterior. And we want to maximize the view. So that's why we conceal the entire frame, and all what you see is the interlocks, where, for example, a fixed unit or fixed panel and a slider panel come together. So we have and that's the strength of our product. We have a slimline system. It's a 3/4 thin as a sideline. That's extremely thin for very wide and very high openings, because our panels, they are structurally glazed in-house in Switzerland. That allows us to go very wide and very high.
You started in New York and you've sort of moved your way, you've migrated west. Just curious, have you noticed a difference in the way that architects and designers are using your product? Are they using it differently on the East Coast than they do out here, and if so, how?
Yeah, I mean, in the East Coast, you know, we have the delta between high and low temperatures are very extreme compared to you know, here Texas or California or Nevada. So we have different angles on approaching the configuration and the system itself. We have two different bottom track systems as well. On the East Coast, we actually use called a 95 millimeter, which is a deeper bottom track that allows also for more insulation. And here on the West Coast, we have our 45 millimeter bottom track system, which is a very good system that allows us also to go in remodels or additions, second story units or buildings. And this is mainly the difference. And also on the East Coast, we use triple glaze to combat the temperature. And here, most likely on the West Coast, we use dual glaze.